Zoya. Yeah, you know what's up, don't you? I am having a super rough day, and I have talked about this before. I have depression, and this is a day of what has turned into a depression day. And I still have work to do, and I still want to be creative, but I'm in a really crappy mood. So I wanted to film a Halloween decor tour anyway. But I'm just going to show you some little vignettes of what we have going on for Halloween decor. I'm feeling very sassy and bitter, and that's because of my depression, and I don't feel this way every day, as I'm sure you can tell in my other videos. I'm all bubbly and happy and everything, but that's just not the reality when you have depression. So today I'm just gonna be like Morticia Addams, and I'm gonna do some decorating. This is how I'm feeling. I just feel so crappy. And I was planning on snipping off these roses anyway for Halloween decor after they had dried, and that is what we're doing today. Just depressed, and I think it's funny that I'm snipping off roses like Tish, and I just felt like sharing some Halloween sassiness with you, and then also just sharing with you like real life. I have depression, but I still want to get things done, and this is actually making me feel a lot better. Just snipping these off and, you know, getting rid of them. I really think this is going to be a hilarious Halloween centerpiece. So we're going to be closing out my Halloween decor tour with our new Morticia Addams centerpiece. What do we think? I mean, I'm good with it. So don't worry about the rose heads. I'm actually going to be keeping these since they're dried anyway, and use them for incense and for other little things. But this is today's video. I already feel a little bit better, and my cats totally know what's up. Zoya, our gingy cat, was like, yeah, Human needs a little extra love, and then I scared poor Olena with my ugly crying, and I guess I just look scary. But they're happy now. They're a lot happier because they're being ornery, and they're having fun chasing the flower heads as they fly. I just wanted to check in with you and show you that it's not all unicorns and rainbows when it comes to spirituality and depression. creating makes me feel a lot better. And I hope that you enjoyed this little Halloween tour and I guess Morticia Addams tutorial on how to decorate your centerpiece. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.